ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯ ಘಟ್ಟ ಅಂದರೆ ಪದವೀಧರರಾಗುವುದು. ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನ ಸೇರೋದು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಗೊಂದಲದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನ ನನಸಾಗಿಸಲು ಜೊತೆಯಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಘಟಕವಾಗಿರುವ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮತ್ತು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನ 30ನೇ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ನವೀಕರಿಸಿದ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ಪದವೀಧರರು ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವೀಧರರ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿತು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಇದುವೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನಾನು ನಿಖಿತಾ ಪೂಜಾರಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರುವ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಘಟಕವಾಗಿರುವ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮತ್ತು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ 30ನೇ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ವಂದನೀಯ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ಅಲೋಶಿಯಸ್ ಕುವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಅವರು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Marching to the rhythm of graduation band is the institutional flag bearer, Dr. Sebastian, Assistant Professor, Department of Organon and Homeopathic Philosophy, accords a general salute to the dignitaries and he paves his way to the auditorium. And the Aarti performed by the students of Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College.
Kindly remain standing as we now invoke the blessings of Lord Almighty, as the students of Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College lead us into a time of prayer.
Most Reverend Monsignor Maxim Lawrence Narona, administrators, governing board members, management committee members, principal and faculty of the college, fathers and sisters, parents and guardians, graduates and dear students. It's my great joy and privilege to extend a cordial welcome to all of you to this August gathering of graduation ceremony of Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College. As you know, Father Muller charitable institutions established by a visionary and missionary Jesuit priest Reverend Father Augustus Muller, a homeopath, in the year 1880. Ever since till today, over the past 141 years, the institution is rendering healthcare services to the sick and suffering humans. With this motto, heal and comfort, the two catchwords, you may call it, the two pillars of our institutions upon which we render loving service and compassionate care. Well, today not only healthcare services, but we also impart nursing and paramedical education. In fact, Father Muller College of Homeopathy is a gift of the centenary celebrations of the institutions established in the year 1885. Today, Father Muller charitable institutions having 4 campuses, one at Kankanadi, the main campus, here at Deralakatte Homeopathy having its own campus with 100-bed Homeopathic Medical College Hospital and a world-famous Father Muller Homeopathy manufacturing. With this brief introduction, I want to introduce our Vicar General and Vice President of our institutions and today's President, Very Reverend Monsignor Maxim Lawrence Narona. He was ordained in the year 1989, and after that, he has held different positions and offices in the diocese, especially as parish priest and as a financial administrator of our diocese. Presently, he is the Vicar General of our diocese, having rich experience in administration. He is a man of a few words, simple and humble person. He believes in doing things in a very perfect way. He is a source of inspiration to young seminarians and priests. Dear Monsignor, on behalf of our institutions, I cordially welcome you to this function and I request Reverend Father Roshan Krasta, Administrator of this campus, to offer you a bouquet of flowers as a token of our gratitude and reverence. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you, Monsignor. Thank you, Father Roshan. It's a matter of joy to welcome my associates, all the fathers in the management, Father Roshan Krasta, Father Rodolphe Pravidesa, Administrator of Padamalla Medical College Hospital, Father Adit, Administrator of the Medical College, Father Sylvester Vincent, Administrator of Padamalla Campus and Hospital Tumbe, Father Jeevan and Father Nelson, Padamalla Medical College Hospital Assistant Administrators, shoulder the yoke of responsibility of this mighty and impressive institution along with me. I take this occasion to appreciate the hard work put in by them for the growth and progress of this institution. Welcome. I also recognize each one of you. My hearty welcome to the principal, faculty of the college, staff and wardens of the hostel. Each one of you have contributed immensely to the success of our graduates and students. Hearty welcome to all of you. And dear parents, guardians, you are our ambassadors. Thank you for sending your sons and daughters to be educated in our college. We are grateful to you for your support and goodwill towards our college. It's my joy to welcome you all. Graduates, your journey in Padamalla, for some of you 5 years, and for postgraduates it is 3 years, and for some even 8 years. We, with gratitude, remember you always, especially making us proud by bringing good results to our college and also bagging so many ranks and gold medals at the university level is a matter of great joy. Especially this batch of undergraduates. You are the first batch of 100 intake. Earlier we had 75 and you are lucky to be the first batch to be called as 100 intake of this college. Congratulations and best wishes to all of you to become good homeopaths. And dear students, you keep our campus always colorful and joyful by your loving presence and various activities. We love you and we miss you while you go for vacation, and especially we missed you so much during COVID times. A warm welcome to all of you, dear students. Happy Note. I wish to welcome our print and media friends for supporting us always and giving a wide coverage for all our events. Hearty welcome to all of you. Once again, have a pleasant evening and thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your wholehearted welcome note.
ಪದವೀಧರರಾಗುವುದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಕನಸಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕನಸಿನ ಪಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ನೋವು ನಲಿವುಗಳ ನೆನಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಬಹಳ ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಂತ್ಯದ ವಿಕಾರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಮೊನ್ಸಿಂಜರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮ್ ಎಲ್ ನೊರೋನಾ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವ ಪದವೀಧರರನ್ನ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಯನ್ನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು.
Principal Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran to present the annual report of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College.
President of today's function, Reverend Monsignor Maxim L. Noronha, dignitaries on the days and off the days. I am pleased to present the annual report of Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College for the year 2019. Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College has completed 35 years of its successful and meaningful services in the field of homeopathic education by Central Course of Homeopathy. It is accredited in the year 2014 by NAC with A grade. The college offers UG program BHMS and PG program MD Home in 7 subjects. Admissions. In the academic year 2019, 90 students were admitted to the first BHMS course and 18 students were admitted to the MD Home course. BHMS degree examinations were conducted by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka for the first, second and third BHMS in September-October 2019 and for final BHMS in February-March 2019. The results are as follows. First BHMS with 38 first classes, 89.77% pass percentage. Second BHMS, 21 first classes with 93.01 pass percentage. Third BHMS, 65 first classes with 100% pass percentage. And in the final BHMS, 45 first classes with 92.22 pass percentage. The MD Homeopathy University examinations for Part 1 May 2019 and Part 2 MD Home in September-October 2019. First MD with 96.15% and second MD 100% pass percentage. RTHS rank holders BHMS. Students of Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College have secured the following ranks declared by the university. The students have secured 6 out of the top 10 ranks declared. They are: first rank, Dr. Deralakatte; second rank, Dr. MULLER; third rank, Dr. Ankita; fourth rank, Dr. Ashika Singh Ranawat; fifth rank, Dr. Uma Maheshwari MS; and 10th rank, Dr. Haripriya Rachna. Rank holders in the MD Home in the examinations conducted in April 2018 and October 2019, Dr. Parvati Shankar, first rank in Materia Medica; Dr. G. Matthew Abraham, fourth rank in Materia Medica; Dr. Sonia Devasuri, fourth rank in Materia Medica; Dr. Grishma Vikraman, first rank in Organ of Medicine; Dr. Sonia Ines, first rank in Pediatrics; Dr. Mehta B, first rank in Pharmacy; Dr. Sumaya Roshan Kalga, first rank in Psychiatry; and Sister Serene Francis, second rank in the practice of medicine. The university offered gold medals to the meritorious students. The gold medal winners are from the 2013-14 batch, Dr. Vikita Mandal, BG, for securing highest marks in the first BHMS, second BHMS, and full complete BHMS course. Dr. Vafa Zaina for securing highest marks in the third BHMS course, and Dr. M. Vishnuvardan Reddy for high gold medal winners for MD Home, Dr. Parvati Shankar A for the gold medal offered in the highest marks in Materia Medica, Dr. Grishma Vikraman for the highest marks in Organ of Medicine. These are the meritorious students of teaching faculty. The teaching faculty comprises of 45 full-time teaching staff and 12 part-time. The guest faculty include subject experts on specialty topics. Faculty recognitions. Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, Principal, was appointed as Chairman of Board of Studies, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. Dr. Shiprasad K, Former Principal. Professor and HOD Department of Parliament is approved as NAC Assessor in RH for Homeopathy, and he is also designated as Assistant Governor of Hotel International District 3181 for the year 2021. Contributed to the development of the curriculum. They have been appointed as different positions in the university. In the Board of Studies UG, Dr. Amita Balika, DOS PG, Dr. Girish Nawada, Dr. Srinath Rao, Dr. Kuyan PG, and Dr. Vivek Chandidharan. Dr. Sajan Pera was appointed as member of the faculty of homeopathy. Faculty were also recognized by other universities. In the Kerala University of Health Sciences, Dr. Girish Nawada is a member of the Board of Studies PG, and Dr. M.K. Kamal is member of Board of Studies PG. In the Innova University Board of Studies, Dr. Kamal, M.K. and Dr. Dina Montero are the members of Board of Studies. Faculty took part in a workshop on curriculum implementation and continuous assessment plan and question bank preparation for BHMS were from anatomy, physiology, pathology, material medica and surgery. Workshop on question paper setting for MD home course faculty attended were from practice of medicine, psychiatry, material medica and pharmacy. Dr. Vivek Chandidharan and Dr. Kuyan PG, Associate Professor of Department of Repertory, completed residential training program on nanotechnology relevant to medical research at Indian Institute of Sciences, Bangalore, sponsored by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. Faculty in research. Faculty carry out research projects funded by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and also Father Research Center. Dr. Anita Lobo and Dr. Jolly DeMello carried out a comparative study of homeopathic treatment versus integrated approach of homeopathy and yoga in the treatment of menstrual disorders related to PCOS in young females. Dr. Kuyan PG and Vivek Chandidharan have conducted a study on its bioactivity of 15-year-old avian CPA. Dr. Barry Lobo and Dr. John Paul have conducted a study on the efficacy of Hemavelis 30 in the management of varicose veins. Dr. Kuyan PG, Dr. Vivek Chandidharan, Dr. Dheeraj Fernandez, and Dr. Suraj, as co-investigators, completed animal research project exploring the anxiety and antidepressant activities of Arsal in rat emotional response model under Dr. Monica Sadananda as principal investigator in association with Bangalore University. Dr. Reza Chedibu and Dr. Helena D'Souza continue their study on the efficacy of homeopathic remedy Solanum lycopersicum in the management of allergic rhinitis. Dr. Joshna Shivaprasad and Dr. Sebastian P. submitted a proposal on the study of homeopathic medicine antimonium tartaricum in bronchiolitis in pediatric age group for the Institutional Ethics Committee, and the study is sponsored by Father Muller Research Center. Faculty also have presented papers at international conferences. Dr. Medona Joseph, Professor and HOD, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, presented a paper on the efficacy of homeopathy in the management of a case of secondary infertility at International Conference and Seminar of IHMA at Bonn, Germany. Dr. Blanny Lobo presented a paper on homeopathic management of venous ulcer with Hemavelis at World Congress on Traditional and Complementary Medicine in Dubai. At the same conference, Dr. Anita Lobo presented a paper on the treatment of male infertility. And Dr. Diana presented a paper on the homeopathic management of automatic negative thoughts in functional psychosis, a clinical study. Dr. Kuyan PJ, Dr. John Paul, Dr. Vivek Chandidharan, Dr. Gino Jose, Dr. Mini and Dr. Diana have presented papers at the International Conference on Homeopathy and Phytomedicine organized by St. Thomas College at Pala College, 13 projects have been awarded scholarship. University of Health Sciences in 2019, 4 are selected for research grant. 6 projects are funded by Father Muller. Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College is actively associated with homeopathy to all sections of the people through Mane Ayush and Department of Ayush, Dakshin Kannada. It was inaugurated by Sri Sripad Yeswamai, Honorable Minister for Ayush. He is one among the 42 institutions of Ayush designated as peripheral pharmacovigilance centers. Dr. Vivek Shaktidharan is appointed as coordinator. Annual conferences and CME programs. Nadoja Dr. B.T. Rudresh, member of Board of Karnataka Board of Homeopathic System of Medicine, inaugurated the annual National Homeopathic Conference in Nurture 2019 was organized by the Department of Pediatrics where Dr. Sudarshana Pai, an alumna of the college, was a resource person. Lubricon 19 was organized by Department of Surgery, has organized a workshop on musculoskeletal pain management in association with Department of Physiotherapy of Father Muller Medical College. And Mega Health Exhibition was organized by Father Muller Medical College and Hospital on 23rd January and 24th January. It was inaugurated by books authored by Dr. Dilma D'Souza, Vice Principal and HOD Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, and Dr. Rita Chakravarti, HOD. Curricular and extracurricular activities provide innovative opportunities to learn for students. Regular study visits to Shobha Mana Herbal Garden and Alva's Ayurvedic Pharmacy, Father Muller Homeopathic Pharmaceutical Division, Murugudri, and Pirukula Herbal Garden Museum for UG and PG students provide an opportunity to identify and differentiate various medicinal plants. Postgraduates in the subject of pharmacy are posted for hands-on experience in the preparation of homeopathic medicines at Father Muller's Homeopathic Pharmaceutical Division. Field visits of community medicine include visit to milk diary, visit to water treatment plant, visit to sewage treatment plant, family health survey, and visit to chemical factory. Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology conducted mock court procedure in association with STM Law College, Mangalore. Graduation ceremony 2019. The graduation ceremony of Father Homeopathic Medical College was held on 5th April at Father Muller Convention Center. 73 undergraduates and 27 postgraduates of the college were honored by Chief Guest Dr. S. Sachidananda, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. The prestigious Presidential Gold Medal of Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College, instituted for the first time by Most Reverend Dr. P. Paul Chandana, was conferred to Dr. Elena Thomas. World Homeopathy Day. Commemorating 264th birth anniversary of our founder, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, World Homeopathy Day was celebrated on the 13th of April 2019. Dr. Mukul Shankar, Principal, KLE Homeopathy Medical College, Belgavi, was the chief guest, and Dr. J. Karthik Singh was a distinguished alumnus from 1995 batch. A team of medical and nursing students from Lassos University, Switzerland visited Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College and the Pharmaceutical Division for study purpose. 5th International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2019. Chief guest of the day was Dr. Rajesh Padekal, Principal of Sharada Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College. Formal program was followed by a yoga session by Dr. Harish. Inauguration and blessing of the new entrance of Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital and grotto of Our Lady of Roots. The inauguration and blessing of the new entrance of Father Muller's Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital and the grotto of Our Lady of Loops at Deralakatte was held on 7th October 2019. Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldana, Bishop of Manor Diocese and President of Father Muller Charitable Institution, graced the occasion and inaugurated and blessed the new entrance. As a mark of our respect to the founder, the newly erected bust of Father Augustus Muller was garlanded by Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldana. The day concluded with blessing and prayer service and later inauguration of the new grotto of Our Lady of Loops by our Bishop. The Student Placement and Guidance Committee organizes regular campus interviews. In 2019, Amrita Homeopathy and Aesthetics Multi-Speciality Clinic in Bangalore and Homecare International Mangalore conducted on-campus interviews. Riviera 2K19 Cultural and Sports Fest for 2019 included various cultural and sports events conducted in house-wise manner. Sports Day was held on 28 November 2019. It involved track and field events. Overall champion for Riviera 2019 was Opten's House, followed by Phoenix as the runner. Mr. Sudhir was declared the best athlete male and Ms. Maria Sani the best athlete female. The college hosted Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences Mysore Zone Throwball and Telecard event in 2019. Deservingly, women's team of Father Muller's Homoeopathic Medical College were the winners. The college conducts medical camps, school health camps, and health education programs. Last year, the college conducted 36 camps, which benefited more than 2,000. Dr. Anjita, Dr. Anupama Jose, Dr. Anupama V, Dr. Aparna, Dr. Ardra K, Dr. Arya Devadas, Dr. Aisha Vicky, Dr. Bebel Pais, Dr. Chaitra B, Dr. Chitra BC, Dr. Chaitra Harindranath, Dr. Darshana Damodar, Dr. Dasani P.R., Dr. Dimelo Nikita Samuel Sanjay, Dr. Elizabeth Anna Thomas, Dr. Gautam K.S., Dr. Harshita Nayarla, Dr. Kenneth Anderson, Dr. Kunduri Bhargav Sharma, Dr. Krishna Das J.K., Dr. Lakshmi P., Dr. Lakshmi Priya B. Menon, Dr. Malavika Naik, Dr. Maria Shaju, Dr. Maria Matthew, Dr. Mariamma Nafia, Dr. Mary Adarshana S.P., Dr. Levan, Dr. Nandan Krishna S., Dr. Mishma Maria Agustini, Dr. Niveda J., Dr. Morona Jennifer Lawrence, Dr. Parvana C., Dr. Paulini S.J., Dr. R. Sainivas, Dr. Rahila K.P., Dr. Rakhima Ravindran, Dr. Rakhin Maria, Dr. Renita Joshua D'Souza, Dr. Ria Susan George, Dr. Sangeeta G.P., Dr. Savita Sharma, Dr. Shabana Zakir Hussain, Dr. Shahal Mansoor, Dr. Shamida A.R., Dr. Shirin Mary George, Dr. Srividya B., Dr. Sinu Paulus, Dr. Sneha A.S., Dr. Sri Lakshmi R.C., Dr. Teresa Arya Raju, Dr. Rishi Sai Krishna, Dr. Uma Maheshwari, M.S., Dr. Viola Elaine D'Souza, Dr. Aisha Samisa, Dr. Meenakshi M., Dr. Parvati Endu, Dr. Rashmi Purani, Dr. Ansar Faris, Dr. Dikshana S.P., Dr. Gautam P., Dr. Jalil Muhammad Rafi, Dr. Muhammad Javed Khan, Dr. Muhammad Nawaz. I am pleased to present to you the postgraduates of Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College. Dr. Tom Alexander, Dr. Parvati Shankar, Dr. G. Matthew Abraham, Dr. Anjali, Dr. Sonia Devasikiti, Dr. Kashyap Suvarna, Dr. Grishma Vikraman, Dr. Vel Murugan, Dr. Soumya N.S., Dr. Nirmal D. Kini, Dr. Manu Manjit S., Dr. Sumaya Laushini Karigar, Dr. Medha B., Dr. Yashaswini Hegde. Homeopathy graduates to stand up, extend their right hand forward and repeat after me.
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೊಸ ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸು ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಘೋಷಿಸಿರುವ 2018-19ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಶಂಸನೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದಕವನ್ನ ನೀಡಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ಪದವಿಯ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷ 2014-15ರ 6 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಜೇತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವಿಯ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷ 2016-17ರ 8 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಜೇತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಘೋಷಿಸಿದ 11 ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪದಕಗಳನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಸೇರಿದ್ರು.
Dear graduates, I hope that your dreams take you to the corners of your smile, to a world of opportunities and to the most special places your heart desires. We wish you all a good luck and hearty congratulations to you all.
Today, as we the batch of 2014 of Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College turn our cursor to the right and pledge ourselves to the Hippocratic Oath, myself, Dr. Leah Susan George, take immense pleasure to represent my batch to offer gratitude and honor to our alma mater for molding us to the homeopaths we are today.
Students of undergraduate and postgraduate, also the most awaited and most prestigious President's Gold Medal. Kindly request the President of today's function, Reverend Monsignor Maxim L. Morona, Vicar General, Diocese of Mangalore, and Vice President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions to kindly do the honors.
In announcing the list of the meritorious students of Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College. At Father Muller Charitable Institutions, we have numerous academic prizes awarded to the deserving students. In first BHMS, Father Muller Charitable Institutions Prize for obtaining highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination of September 2019, Miss Nivedita S. She also secured the highest marks in the subject of human anatomy, sponsored by Faculty Department of Anatomy, Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College. Highest marks in the subject of Physiology and Biochemistry, sponsored by Faculty Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College. Father Muller Charitable Institution Prize for obtaining second highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination of September 2019, Miss Anaga KG and Miss Perlin Tennis. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of pharmacy, sponsored by students of 2002 batch, Mr. Alan Fernandez and Mrs. Gladys Pinto goes to Miss Dasni S and Miss Shakira. Father Muller Charitable Institutions Prize for obtaining highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination of September 2019, Miss Jiddu Sai Akila. She also secured highest marks in the subject of pathology and microbiology, sponsored by Dr. G.S. Johar, UK. Father Muller Charitable Institutions Prize for obtaining second highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination of September 2019, Miss Prashida T. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of forensic medicine and toxicology, sponsored by Dr. Medora Joseph, HOD Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, in memory of late Mrs. Teresa Ma George, Reverend Father Peter S. Narona, and Mrs. Sudaya goes to Miss Ashwati Dinesh. In third PHMS, Father Muller Charitable Institutions Prize for obtaining highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination of September 2019 goes to Miss Ria Grace Divasia. Father Muller Charitable Institutions Prize for obtaining second highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health examination of September 2019 goes to Miss Elizabeth Thomas. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of surgery, sponsored by Dr. Rita Chakrabarti, HOD, Department of Repertory, in memory of late Pranavananda Chakrabarti, goes to Miss Chaitanya. In fourth PHMS, Father Muller Charitable Institution Prize for obtaining highest marks in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination of February 2019 goes to Dr. Maria Shadi. She also obtained the highest marks in the subject of repertory, sponsored by Mrs. Elsie and Mrs. Tony Mascarenes and the students of 1998-99 batch. Father Muller Charitable Institutions Prize for obtaining second highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination of February 2019, Dr. Ankita. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of community medicine, sponsored by the students of 2001 Millennium batch and the students of 2003 batch, goes to Dr. Chaitra Harindranath and Dr. Haripriya Ji. Father Muller Charitable Institution Prize for obtaining second highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination February 2019, Dr. Ria Susan George. She also secured prizes for highest marks in the subject of obstetrics and gynecology in the university examination February 2018, sponsored by Dr. Vilma D'Souza, HOD Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. Highest marks in the subject of practice of medicine, sponsored by Mrs. Sita M. and Dr. R.P. Sharma. Highest certificate marks in the subject of Article of Medicine and Homeopathic Philosophy in the university examination, sponsored by Dr. Prasad K. HOD, Department of Organon, in honor of his parents, late Shri K.R. Suvarna and Srimati Sabita R. Suvarna. 4 years highest aggregate marks in the subject of Mathematics, sponsored by Dr. Amita Baliga, HOD Department of Mathematics, Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College, in honor of her parents, family members and teachers. MD Homeopathy. Highest aggregate marks in Part 1 and Part 2 MD Homeopathy in the subject of Mathematics, sponsored by Dr. Amita Baliga, HOD, Department of Mathematics, Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College, and her father, Mr. K. Vishwanath Bhakta, in honor of family members, goes to Dr. Parvati Shankar A. Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science ranks. With immense joy, I am proud to announce that the Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College has secured the following 6 ranks among 10 ranks declared by the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science Karnataka for the overall BHMS examination conducted from December 2015 to February 2019 and MD Homeopathy examination held in April 2018 and October 2019. Father Muller Charitable Institution is proud to felicitate the RHS rank holders. In the undergraduate batch of 2014-15, first rank Dr. Ria Susan George. Second rank Dr. Maria Sadu. Third rank Dr. Ankita. Fourth rank Dr. Ashika Singh Ranawat. Fifth rank Dr. Uma Maheshwari MS. And 10th rank Dr. Haripriya G. In the postgraduate batch of 2016-17, first rank in Metra-Medica, Dr. Parvati Shankar A. Fourth rank in Metra-Medica, Dr. G. Matthew Abraham. Fourth rank in Metra-Medica, Dr. Sonia Devashi Kutti. First rank in Organon of Medicine, Dr. Grishma Vikraman. First rank in Pediatrics, Dr. Soumya N.S. First rank in Pharmacy, Dr. Megha V. Second rank in Practice of Medicine, Dr. Cyril Francis. First rank in Psychiatry, Dr. Soumya Nausin Kalugar. Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science Gold Medal Awardees. Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College have secured 5 gold medals in the overall BHMS examination conducted by the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka from December 2014 to February 2018. 4 gold medals in the overall BHMS examination conducted by the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka from December 2015 to February 2019. 2 gold medals in the MD Homeopathy examination held in April 2018 and October 2019. Father Muller Charitable Institution is proud to felicitate the RHS Gold Medal awardees. BHMS 2013-14 batch, Dr. Brijita Mandal BG is awarded the 3 gold medals for securing highest marks in first year BHMS, highest marks in second year BHMS, highest marks in BHMS course. Dr. Wafa Zainab is awarded the gold medal for highest marks in third year BHMS. Dr. Madhuri Vishwanathan Reddy is awarded the gold medal for the highest marks in final year BHMS course in the subject of Media. BHMS 2014-15 batch, Dr. Ria Susan George is awarded the 3 gold medals for securing highest marks in BHMS course, highest marks in third year BHMS, highest marks in the final year BHMS course in the subject of Media. Dr. Maria Shadu is awarded the gold medal for securing highest marks in final year BHMS. Father Muller Charitable Institution is proud to felicitate the RGHS Gold Medal awardee in MD Homeopathy examination. MD Homeopathy 2016-17 batch, Dr. Grishma Vikraman is awarded the Gold Medal for securing highest marks in MD Homeopathy Organon of Medicine with Homeopathic Philosophy. Dr. Parvati Shankar A is awarded the Gold Medal for securing highest marks in MD Homeopathy, the subject of Materia Medica. Now, coming to the most awaited moment, the announcement of the best outgoing students from the postgraduate batch 2016-17. Dr. Suman Jacob Solomon Award, sponsored by the 6th batch of MULLER, goes to Dr. Jean Matthew Abraham. The President of MULLER Charitable Institution has instituted President's Gold Medal for the best outgoing undergraduate student of MULLER Homeopathic Medical College. I request our Administrator, Reverend Father Roshan Krasta, to announce the Gold Medal awardee. I also request all the dignitaries on the dais to join for awarding President's Gold Medal.
Verifying all the criteria that have been used to select the President's Gold Medal. And after due consultation with the President's Gold Medal selection panel, and as it is goes by the tradition that should be announced by the administrator. So, as an administrator of this institution, I am very happy and proud to announce the President's Gold Medal, and that goes to Dr. Maria Sharma. Congratulations to Dr. Maria Sharma and we wish all the success in your endeavors.
To have the presence of our dear President of today's function, Reverend Monsignor Maxim L. Verona, Vicar General Diocese of Mangalore and Vice President of MULLER Charitable Institution, to grace this occasion. As a token of our love and gratitude, we present a memento. I kindly request our Director, Reverend Father Richard Aloysius Coelho, to do the honors.
ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದು ಗಣ್ಯರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪದಕವನ್ನ ಪಡೆದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮರಿಯಾ ಶಾಜು ಅವರನ್ನ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗೈದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೀನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಯೂ ಅಬ್ರಾಹಂ ಅವರನ್ನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಬಹುಮಾನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ 25 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅವರ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಪದಕವನ್ನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದರು.
Former principal Dr. Shivprasad K, who rendered 7 years of meaningful service as principal of MULLER Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital from 2013 to 2020. It is indeed a great moment of joy to felicitate him for all that he had been to MULLER Homeopathic Medical College in particular and MULLER Charitable Institution in general. I request our Director, Reverend Father Richard Aloysius Coelho, to do the honors and all the dignitaries on the dais to join the Father's Day.
Good evening, everybody. Reverend Monsignor Maxim Lorella, President of today's function, dignitaries on the days, my dear students, faculty members, parents, media persons. First of all, let me congratulate the graduates of the 2014-15 BHMS batch. There's a batch which started with 100 intake for the BHMS edition for the first time, and 2016-17 MD batch will receive the convocation just now. Congratulations. I wish you all the best in the future endeavors, may it be MD, teacher, research officers, private practice, or corporate consultant. You are a Mullerian brand which will shine and add glory to the homeopathic system of medicine anywhere in the world, the brand ambassadors. In the background of chanting of sloka, Asatoma, Satgamaya, Tamosoma, Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma, Mridamgamaya, it was the first batch which I joined in the year 1985, on 14 July 1985, lit the lamp. An ambitious wanted to do something differently in life with then existing situations. Shiv, as I was called, got an identity as a homeopath from this great institution. Father Muller charitable institutions and specifically Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College. It is now 36 years of Mullerian family togetherness, which is the bondage, which is major part of our life till now. Whenever I get an opportunity, may it be the leadership in the Rotary International since 1994, as a now assistant governor, all good positions in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, a member, chairman of Board of Studies, dean of faculty in the Rajiv NAC SSL, member of Central Council of Homeopathy, CCMH, a Pharmacovigilance Association, elected member of Rajiv Gandhi Karnataka Board of Homeopathy System of Medicine, and various homeopathic associations. I am always proud to introduce myself from Father Muller's Homeopathic Medical College, a Mullerian.
Very happy to be a part of this grand and beautiful celebration of the 30th graduation ceremony of Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College today. I don't know for sure, but I guess that you graduated students are with a mixed feeling of joy and sadness today. Joy because of your achievement, in which everyone rejoices today, whole institution, along with your parents and family members, and everyone who is here present. The feeling of sadness because most of you are leaving this institution, maybe you have already left this institution, and this campus, which was so familiar to you all through these years when you were running around here. Whatever the feeling may be, one thing is sure, that you are the proud students of Father Muller Homeopathic College. On the other hand, you too have a reason to be proud of this institution, an institution known far and wide because of the pioneering status of this institution in the field of homeopathic medicine. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step, it is said. So also the whole system and process of medical care and academics at Father Muller charitable institutions, both at Kankanadi and here at Deralakatte, maybe Tunda and Bagpe for that matter, began primarily with a homeopathic treatment by the great Jesuit Catholic priest Father Augustus Muller nearly 1.5 centuries ago, with the homeopathic poor dispensary at Kankanadi. Since then, the institution provides services to the community with the motto, heal and comfort. The seed sown by Father Muller has blossomed today into a full-fledged postgraduate institute of medical education and research in allopathy, homeopathy, paramedical and nursing care. I am very happy to say that Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College conducts undergraduate program and postgraduate programs in all the 7 specialties.
Greetings and good wishes for this great and eventful day. As an administrator of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital and Homeopathic Pharmaceutical Division, I am privileged and delighted to give expression to the gratitude of all the members in the management. First of all, I thank God Almighty for all His benevolent blessings upon this mighty institution, and especially for giving us this day of jubilation and celebration. Vicar General, Diocese of Mangalore, and Vice President Father Muller Charitable Institutions, and the President of today's function. As the Vicar General of Diocese of Mangalore, he showed us mighty responsibilities of one of the largest dioceses of India. He steers this diocese along with the Bishop, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Sardana, in his pastoral, spiritual, social, religious and cultural dimensions in carrying forward its mission and vision in the right direction. Because of his initiative, number of innovative and community-oriented programs have been taken up in the Diocese of Mangalore, and hundreds of poor families benefit from it. He also takes desirous interest in the growth and progress of these Father Muller charitable institutions. This morning, he was with us for the Thanksgiving Eucharistic celebration and prayed for each and every one of us, especially to you, dear graduates. Dear Monsignor, thanks a million for your valuable presence this evening and for your meaningful message to our graduates. Thank you so much. I need to acknowledge and appreciate the presence of Reverend Father Richard Aloysius Coelho, Director, Father Muller Charitable Institutions. It's indeed gives me lots of happiness and joy being his collaborator in the administration of this institution. I must praise and record his committed services and for all his contribution to this institution, especially Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital and HPD. Today, we have been witnessing this graduation ceremony in this magnificent renovated auditorium. And it was possible because of his guidance and encouragement. He has special concern and love towards our faculty and students of this campus at Deralakatte, and especially on you, dear graduates. Dear Father, I remain grateful to you, especially today, for your kind presence and your welcome address. Thank you very much. I would like to thank all our guests, our former director, Reverend Father Peter Noronha, for his presence, our former administrator of this institution, Reverend Father Prakash. I appreciate their presence and also the presence of all the priests in the management. Good morning, Reverend Father Long, Father Ajit, Father Jeevan, Father Nelson, Father Sylvester Vincent, and Reverend Fathers and Sisters, especially Reverend Father D.B. Krasta, who is the spiritual animator of this campus, members of governing board and Syndicated Society, government officials, and our benefactors and well-wishers for being a part of this wonderful celebration. Thank you very much. On this happy occasion, it is but proper that I place on record our acknowledgement to the heads of our teaching institutions. I acknowledge the presence of Dr. J.P. Arwa, the Dean of Father Muller Medical College, CMS, Deans, Principals, Vice Principal, MS, and all the teaching faculty and staff of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. I would like to thank and appreciate the services of Dr. Shuprasad K., a former principal, for his contributions to this college as a principal and now as the head of the Department of Medicine. Thank you, Doctor. I remain grateful to our media friends, print and electronic, and all those who assisted us in the technical, physical, and security arrangements. Sounds and light, videography and photography by Sandy Butwa of Anvita Communication, stage setting backdrop by Rose Arranges, well assisted by our Department of Housekeeping headed by Mr. Christine, Maintenance Department headed by Mr. Bertie and team. Thank you. Special thanks to our warden, Sister Priscilla and Dr. Ashik. My sincere thanks to our management committee members, Principal Dr. Prabhukiran, Vice Principal Dr. Vilma, Youth and PG Academic Program Advisor, Youth Academic In Charge, PG Academic In Charge, MS, DMS, former principals, and all the faculty members, staff and students for their valuable suggestions and their contributions towards success of this ceremony. Thank you each and every one of you. I take this opportunity to daughters who graduated today. Parents, you too have played an important role in the formation and education of your wards. Thank you, parents and guardians, for your presence. Last but not the least, I must acknowledge and appreciate the services of Graduation Committee steered by Dr. Ranjan Brito, all the chairpersons and the members of various committees who were responsible for organizing today's program professionally with meticulous planning and systematic presentation. Special thanks to the MCs of the program, Dr. G. Rajachandra and Dr. Shweta Bhatt. Thanks to all the volunteers, there are students for their wonderful disposition during this ceremony, the office staff who were assisting on the stage, attenders, my office staff and college office staff. Thank you and God bless you all. And finally, my heartiest congratulations and felicitations to all the 121 graduates, 96 undergraduates and 25 postgraduates. Dear graduates, you started your internship in 2019 and supposed to have ended 2020 with the graduation ceremony. But along with that, COVID-19 also appeared. But that did not stop. But we couldn't have the graduation ceremony. But today you must be grateful to the institution and thanking God for this wonderful opportunity provided to you. That is why I congratulate each and every one of you. Most of you already know practicing homeopathy, clinics are set up. Many have got married, some have got engaged, and many you are pursuing your post-graduation education in different colleges, including ours. Some are into art, culture and modeling and other initiatives. So wonderful to see you back. So above all, you are achievers. You believe in your dreams, and because of that belief, you could succeed with this graduation. And today you are doctors and postgraduates who are here. Wonderful to see you back. Congratulations. We are proud of you. Today we send you out as ambassadors of love and compassion, instruments of healing and comfort towards the sick and suffering. The holistic formation given at Father Muller should help you to realize your big dreams and help you to become humane, committed and sincere medical professionals. Best wishes to all of you and a bright future. We love you. I am sorry if I have forgotten to mention anyone's name. I thank each and every one of you for your gracious presence. Thank you all. God bless you all.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಘಟಕವಾಗಿರುವ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮತ್ತು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು ಎಂದು. ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ. ನಿರಂತರವಾದ ಸುದ್ದಿ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ V4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇದು ಮುನ್ನುಡಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಗಾಗಿ.